Let's solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main in 2014. In this problem, we have been given that z is a complex number such that mod of z is actually greater than or equal to 2. And we have to find the minimum value of the modulus of z plus half. All right. So then there are certain options given. So this question can be done in multiple ways, but I will choose one method in which what I'll do is I will use this complex number in a different fashion. So I'll use this as z. We can take it as something like a r cos theta plus I times r sin theta, right? So then, so that it will be easy for me to maximize or minimize using the theta itself. Now here, as mod of z is given greater than or equal to 2, so you can understand that here r is gonna be greater than or equal to 2. That is what I will have. So modulus of z will be, I mean, if you want to do it, you can just do this r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. That is what is your modulus, right? And that will become r itself, because sin square theta plus cos square theta will be actually 1. So this will be r itself. So r is going to be greater than or equal to 2. Now, what will this be? This modulus of z plus half would become something like r cos theta plus I times r sin theta, and then plus half. Or I could say that this is r cos theta plus half, and then plus I times r sin theta, right? So what will be the modulus of it? The modulus of this will be actually r cos theta plus half whole squared plus r square sin square theta and square root of that. So let's call this something as, for the time being, y. This is what is the modulus. This is what is my y. Now this will become something like a r square cos square theta plus 1 by 4 plus 2 times r cos theta into half, and then there will be r square sin square theta, right? Now what do I have here is this, right? Now I can say this r square cos square theta and r square sin square theta. Again, taking r square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So this will become r square itself, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And then this will be 1 by 4. And then this 2 and 2 cancels out. And then we will have something like a plus of r cos theta. Now, if I look at this, right? So r is actually greater than or equal to 2, right? So the value of r will be more than 2, right? But if I want to sort of minimize this, what I want to do here, if I want to minimize this, then I want to minimize r, and also I want to minimize this thing. And we know that the cos theta's minimum value would be -1, right? So cos theta's minimum value will be -1. So if I substitute the minimum values over here, what do I get is y would be actually equal to 2 square plus 1 by 4. And then this will be -2. And let's simplify this. We will get 2 square, which is 4, and then 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 4, right? Which will be nothing but 2 plus 1 by 4, which will become 4 to 8 plus 1, 9 by 4, or this will become 3 by 2 itself. So this is what is my minimum value, y is minimum value, okay? And that is the modulus minimum value. If I'm looking at the maximum value, right? So r could be anything greater than 2. So that could go anywhere, as in like r could be 200 or something. And even if I'm trying to sort of minimize this function is still will have a lot of, like, it will have a big value, right? So only thing which you can actually be very sure about is the minimum value. And that is what was being asked over here. Then the minimum value of this will be where? So what I've got is 3 by 2, which was also over here. Is strictly greater than 3 by 2 isn't right, because that is what is my minimum value, and less than 5 by 2. That is also something which we cannot say. While this is the one which is the correct option, which is the 3 by 2 is actually lying between 0 to 2, right? So the minimum value will be lying this in this one. It's not equal to 5 by 2. right? Is it strictly greater than 5, but it's also not right, and it's also not right, right? So this is what is your answer. So B is your option, and that is what will be your answer. If you have any questions, please do ask me in the comment section below, or if you have any other queries also, do write in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.